Quizás más tarde. Maybe later. Maybe later. Quizás. Maybe. Más tarde. Later. Maybe later. Quizás más tarde. Fue la semana pasada. It was last week. It was last week. Fue. It was. La semana pasada. Last week. It was last week. Fue la semana pasada. Necesitamos estos. We need these. We need these. Necesitamos. We need. Estos. These. We need these. Necesitamos estos. We need these. ¿Tuviste un buen día? You had a good day? You had a good day? ¿Tuviste? You had un buen, a good día? Day? You had a good day? ¿Tuviste un buen día? You had a good day? No es verdad. It's not true. It's not true. No es. It's not. Verdad. True. It's not true. No es verdad. It's not true. Necesitamos más sillas. We need more chairs. We need more chairs. Necesitamos. We need. Más. More. Sillas. Chairs. We need more chairs. Necesitamos más sillas. We need more chairs. Me gusta esto más. I like this more. I like this more. Me gusta. I like esto. This. Más. More. I like this more. Me gusta esto más. Quédate aquí. Stay here. Stay here. Quédate. Stay. Aquí. Here. Quédate aquí. Stay here. Abre las cortinas. Open the curtains. Open the curtains. Abre. Open las cortinas. The curtains. Open the curtains. Abre las cortinas. Tuvimos un accidente. We had an accident. We had an accident. Tuvimos. We had un accidente. An accident. We had an accident. Tuvimos un accidente. ¿Qué pasó con ellos? What happened with them? What happened with them? ¿Qué? What pasó? Happened con with ellos, them. ¿Qué pasó con ellos? What happened with them? Hemos decidido. We have decided. We have decided. Hemos. We have decidido. Decided. We have decided. Hemos decidido. Estaba confundido. I was confused. I was confused. Estaba. I was confundido. Confused. Estaba confundido. I was confused. Gracias por la ayuda. Thanks for the help. Thanks for the help. Gracias. Thanks por la for the ayuda. Help. Thanks for the help. Gracias por la ayuda. Thanks for the help. Está en el siguiente piso. It's in the next floor. It's in the next floor. Está en. It's in. El siguiente. The next. Piso. Floor. It's in the next floor. Está en el siguiente piso. It's in the next floor. Es mi primera vez. It's my first time. It's my first time. Es mi. It's my. Primera. First. Vez. Time. Es mi primera vez. It's my first time. ¿Necesita ayuda? You need help? You need help? ¿Necesita? You need ayuda? Help? You need help? Algunos están heridos. A few are wounded. A few are wounded. Algunos. A few. Están. Are. Heridos. Wounded. A few are wounded. Algunos están heridos. Hay que comer afuera. Let's eat outside. Let's eat outside. Hay que. Let's. Comer. Eat. Afuera. Outside. Let's eat outside. Hay que comer afuera. Nos vamos en 2 horas. We leave in 2 hours. We leave in 2 hours. Nos vamos. We leave en 2. In 2 horas. Hours. We leave in 2 hours. Nos vamos en 2 horas. No podemos comer todavía. We can't eat yet. We can't eat yet. No podemos. We can't comer. Eat. Todavía. Yet. We can't eat yet. No podemos comer todavía. Toma la mitad. Take half. Take half. Toma. Take. La mitad. Half. Take half. ¿Es este el tamaño correcto? Is this the right size? Is this the right size? ¿Es este? Is this el the tamaño correcto? Right size. ¿Es este el tamaño correcto? Is this the right size? No lo hagas mucho. Don't do it much. Don't do it much. No lo hagas. Don't do it mucho. Much. Don't do it much. No lo hagas mucho. No son lo mismo. They're not the same. They're not the same. No son. They're not. Lo mismo. The same. No son lo mismo.
They're not the same.